In this video, I'm going to show you how to update GnuCash. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up GnuCash and you want to go to the Help tab up top and you want to click on About. Now, over here, it's going to tell you which version you are currently on, okay? So I'm currently on 5.14, okay? So make sure you remember this. And then you want to go to their official website, which I pulled up over here. And right now, their most recent version is 5.14, which is the one I'm currently on. So in my case, I wouldn't even have to update. But of course, if for you're like on a version which is previous to that, or like maybe this is a new version that just came out, you can go ahead and of course update this very easily by simply just again downloading the installer and just running it, and it's going to basically just go ahead and override the current installation and update your GnuCash. So for me, I'm on Windows, I would click on over here, and then this would get downloaded to my computer, of course, as you would do it the first time, and then just basically run the installer. And whenever you do that, just basically go through the installation process. It's going to reinstall and override the current installation. You do not have to just uninstall whatever you already had on your computer from GnuCash. Just go to the new installation of the new version. It's going to override, and then you can go ahead, open it up, go to Help, click on About, and you'll see that it's been updated to the recent version. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.